Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Rao Malya, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic, Calicut. HIFU is not just for face, but we also use it for vaginal rejuvenation. Women have to go through a lot in life as they age. There are fluctuations in weight, there are childbirth issues, physique and health changes following childbirth, and of course menopause. Many of these conditions can cause the vaginal muscles to lose strength and weaken the surrounding skin. So over time, there can be vaginal dryness, urinary incontinence, fecal incontinence, which can be actually very embarrassing, affecting many women. So all of these can make women lose their confidence, and it can come in the way of daily lives. So it can affect their work performance, social situations and relationships. For too long, women have believed that they just have to live with these stages as an inevitable part of their aging process and that they couldn't reverse all this. Today, that is no longer true. HIFU technology for vaginal rejuvenation can help women restore their youth. Here at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic, we are introducing a revolutionary technology that restores tired vaginal muscles and the confidence of women. The newest 4D HIFU vaginal rejuvenation treatment, the first of its kind in North Kerala. This procedure doesn't take up time, neither it causes pain. It's quick, it tightens the loose muscles, lifts up the surrounding skin, improves dryness, reduces urinary and fecal incontinence. HIFU actually stimulates the blood vessels so the tissues spring back to health. The nerves gain their vitality, so does vaginal sensitivity. Results are visible right after the first session, and in just 2 to 3 sessions over a couple of months, the vagina regains its youth again, giving women back their health and life. So who is actually a good candidate for HIFU vaginal rejuvenation? So non-surgical vaginal rejuvenation treatments have become immensely popular option for helping women address many aesthetic and functional concerns in their intimate areas. HIFU vaginal rejuvenation can reduce many of the symptoms associated with changes to the vagina and the surrounding areas, which is caused by having children, menopause, or as the normal aging process. So this procedure is safe to be performed just 6 weeks postpartum and in between the pregnancies as well. The symptoms which get reduced or improved with this HIFU vaginal rejuvenation include vaginal dryness, vaginal laxity, urinary incontinence, fecal incontinence, painful intercourse. So how does HIFU work? HIFU is a gold-class non-surgical procedure. It acts by placing multiple energy shots into the internal skin structures at varying depths per treatment. It ensures simultaneous lifting and tightening. Here, the automated vaginal probe that benefits from 360-degree rotation at the press of a button. So, HIFU technology targets the dermal and the SMAS layer and helps in generating new collagen and elastin to repair the area. So the increase in the collagen and elastin production gradually results in tighter, firmer and smoother skin in the vaginal area. So this continues to improve over a period of 90 days. Since this ultrasound energy which we are using is focused on tissues below the skin surface, there is no damage which is experienced to the outer layers of skin. So how many sessions of vaginal rejuvenation does a patient need? The patient will need a session or at the max 2 sessions, and the sessions have to be repeated every year to maintain the results. So what are the advantages of HIFU vaginal rejuvenation? HIFU vaginal rejuvenation has become an advanced alternative to the traditional surgical vaginoplasty, as this gives a quick and immediate results. Since it's a new treatment, I'm sure you'll have a lot of doubts. You can feel free and contact us for any doubts.